Okay guys, so today we have the Smithwesson MP40 airsoft pistol. It's not really for long range, as you can see, because it's a pistol. What I've noticed as shooting it, when you're shooting around a bunch of wind, it's not really accurate. But if you go in the woods or somewhere where there's not a bunch of wind and you're playing, you're having an airsoft war with your buddies, it's really accurate and it hurts like heck if you get shot with it. Okay, so we're gonna shoot targets. We got trash cans set up over there, and we'll see how accurate this thing is. Trash can number 1. Trash can number 2. Trash can number 3, which is the metal one on the ground over there. It's kind of hard to reload when you're shooting a video with one hand and shooting with the other. So yeah, I have to reload. Boom, got it.